In this video, I will show you how to update Intel UHD Graphics Driver on Windows 10 or 11. To update your Intel UHD Graphics Driver on Windows 10 or 11, the first thing that you will need to do is to click on that Start button. And here, go ahead and click on the Settings button. And in this section, go ahead and search for the Device Manager. Under the Device Manager, you'll be able to find the list of devices available for your laptop that you can either uninstall or update. Click on that Device Manager search result and this will pop up on your screen. So on the Device Manager, what you'll need to do is to look for the Display Adapters category and click on that Display Adapters category. So under this, you can find your Intel UHD graphics card. So go ahead and look for that and click for that. So once you have found that, you can simply click on this Update button that you'll find at the top of your screen to update your Intel UHD Graphics Driver. And that is how you can simply update Intel UHD Graphics Driver on Windows 10 or 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.